Nice. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a new adventure. Hi guys, fishing has been very poor so far, but stay tuned because we're going to stay here tonight. Stay tuned. Midges. Oh, the midges. Oh, yes, that. Oh, cheers. Cheers, Tom.
Cheers, Nico. Nice one, Nico.
Oh, thank you.
Tasty.
A girl, eh? There's a clever girl. You want it?
One's Nico.
Belgian Baron. Oh. The bar's open. Cheers.
Cheers. Suck the one, Nico the one.
Cheers.
Joy. Keep the fire going well, Dana.
Oh yes. The fire's going well.
Too big.
Right guys, good morning again. We're still alive. Yeah, we are alive. So we're going to go fishing now. Well, once you get breakfast, we're going to go fishing. But right now, we're still alive. Oh, coffee.
Magic, plenty.
Guess what? We're back out fishing. Morning, Glenn. How are you? What
I'm
is this?
good, I'm good. Wee baby Jack.
Baby Jack bite. Nice. Good fish. Boom. fish on. What is that, Glenn?
It's another wee bit of this year's honeycomb.
Honeycomb. I show.
Lovely.
Full of sun here.
Look at that. Honeycomb.
Lovely, lovely.
Hey guys, that's bite number 3 using the slush minnow from Rabara. Smashed it. It's now game over. Thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you next week.